I don't even know what I'm talking this through. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Y'all gotta tell me if you want to see, you know, this kind of stuff, or if you just want me to get to the point. I don't know. Sometimes I think about that one comment when somebody told me I talk too much. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Y'all, I am so excited with this wig. She is super duper cute. I have been stalking this wig for so long that I'm so happy that I finally got her, because she's absolutely what I wanted her to be, and I think she's so easy. I'm going to talk you guys through kind of how I got this final look, but y'all know the drill. If you're new here and you like content like this, I do a lot of wig content on this channel. I do trickle in some makeup, but it's been a while, so y'all let me know what y'all want to see. Subscribe. Go ahead and follow me, okay? Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it. So tell me what you gonna do. What y'all know about that song? Y'all know nothing about that song. Anyway, let's jump into this wig review. What's up, y'all? So I'm gonna tell you about this wig. I already put it on. I think that's why I was jamming to my Whitney, because I got my Whitney shirt on too. Look at that. Guys, this wig right here. First of all, if you like this wig, I did a review on it, and this is a different brand. It's not Outre, but it's okay. It's still a synthetic wig. I went and picked my kids up from school, and this is my hat wig. This is the wig that I put on. Check the review out right here if you're interested in that wig. But this one right here that we're talking about, why am I yelling? Why am I yelling? So this wig is from Outre, okay? It's from the Melted Hairline collection. This wig, I'm not too sure. I saw a lot of reviews on this wig, but I saw that one girl on Ebony Line slay this wig, and I needed it, and this color was sold out for a while, but I found it, so I'm hoping y'all can find it too by the time you see this video. This is the Outre Melted Hairline Romala, and I have the color Chocolate Swirl. This wig is 10 inches. I already put it on, and I was just like, wow, this short wigs are becoming my new thing, okay? Because it's hot and they're easy. They don't tangle that much. They're so easy. Anyway, let me show y'all this wig. Because it's from the Melted Hairline collection, you are going to get some lace in it, so it's not a full cap wig, which I actually do like, because like this one is a full cap. There's no lace in here. As you see, there's no lace. So with wigs like that, sometimes they tend to look a little bit more wiggy. Y'all, I'm just feeling so good right now, because today was really a bad day for me. Like, I just wasn't feeling that great. My energy was really low, and I've just been in a funk because of that. So I tried to put makeup on, and I was like, let me try to film. See what happens. I'm just so glad that when I force myself to get out of a funk that I'm in, and I pick myself up, like it really does. It really does help. Taking a shower and putting a little bit of makeup on and some wigs, it helps. So this is what the wig is looking like. Okay. It's a lace frontal wig. You're going to get that standard part. It is a curved part on the left side. This is what it's looking like against my skin. Y'all see that pretty chocolate swirl color? This is the chocolate all in here mixed with a little bit of like highlight chocolate, and these curls. At first I was like, this looks like an old lady wig, but no, this wig is super cute, y'all. And in the front, you see those like baby hairs. You can tweeze this wig and do whatever you want in the front if you want to do that, but because I know how I want to wear this, I kind of want to wear it exactly like I saw that girl wear it, like with some bangs, so I'm not doing all that. I plan on making this really easy for me, because easy wigs matter. We need an easy wig to put on and off our head, okay? So let me take this one off. Oh, this wig also does have like combs in here. Y'all know the standard cap construction. And an elastic band to wear it glueless. I like the fact also that this wig in the back, it's breathable. Okay. I'm trying to get this little gold piece off, and it is not coming off. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to install this wig pretty much. I don't know. I'm not going to show it on camera. I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do, because it's so easy. It is so easy, guys. Like, this is what I'm going to do. I'm not going to do that, but you want to line up your air tabs, taking it off. I'm going to spray it with my lace tint spray. I love this spray. You can use powder, you can use makeup, you can use whatever you need to match it to your complexion, but I like lace tint spray. Keep in mind, it does tint the lace quite a bit, so once you like wash it, it kind of is tinted, so you might want to use powder if you want to rinse your lace all the time. Anyway, and I'm also going to use my melting spray. I still love all of my melting sprays, to be clear, okay? I just have so many that I'm going to use this one because it's a little lighter, and I might take this wig off. This one lasts for like a day or even 2. Like they're all so good. This is the strongest one, so when I want to wear my wig for like a few days, this is the one I'm gonna grab. But you know what, I'm gonna make a video for y'all. So I'm not gonna use that. And yes, I still love this one. It's just running really low. My Kiss Colors and Care, this one is good as well, but I'm gonna use my Isha because she's been neglected, and I'm going to use this one. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna cut the lace with these scissors. Okay, I'm talking this part through because I'm not gonna be showing y'all. I can't be showing y'all in every single video because I got a lot of stuff to do. I'm gonna cut the lace, I'm gonna fit it up, and then I'm gonna come back with my lace melting band. Okay, all right, y'all have watched a lot of these videos to know what to do. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with the melting band. We're just gonna take this off and see. It's looking good, y'all. It's looking really good. She's coming together so nicely. Y'all see that? Yes, 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 honey. Listen, I feel like you guys already, you're over the installs and you see the same parts over and over again, and you're like, I don't want to keep seeing it. So I don't even know if I should be showing it, but you know, sometimes I like to show y'all how I get my look, how I achieve my final look, because just putting on these wigs, like my aunt was here. Hey, auntie. But she was telling me, how you make these wigs look like the way you look? So sometimes I do try to show, and to me it's easy, but some people it's not. So I try to keep that in mind. Anyway, so now that I took off the melting band, okay, you see these flakes coming up? This is you want to break that up. We're going to break that up, okay, because we don't want to look harsh. We don't want to have stiff, harsh wigs. I'm going to comb out these baby hairs here because I'm going to use them, I think. I'm not too sure. Now I'm going to use my rubbing alcohol and clean this up because that's going to melt that off. I don't even know what I'm talking this through. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Y'all got to tell me if you want to see, you know, this kind of stuff, or if you just want me to get to the point. I don't know. Sometimes I think about that one comment when somebody told me I talk too much. So I don't know what you guys want to see, but y'all see like what that rubbing alcohol did after you clean that up. So you just clean that up. I don't like this harsh like line like that. Guys, this wig is so cute. I want to go back and get a natural color. I really like this wig. She's just coming together so nicely. I don't know what I want to do with her. Like, hold on. Anyway, I want to tell y'all that these ear tabs are super long, and the way you fix that, like they're like coming down really, really long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go by my ear, and I'm gonna use my comb and kind of shape that ear tab a little bit, and it's gonna cut off this long piece right here. But I'm gonna cut off like that much. I used to be so scared to cut off these ear tabs, but you could customize these wigs. Don't worry, you're not gonna break the wig. You're not gonna break her. So I'm just gonna cut that piece off because it's way too long. It's like a triangle, you see? I'm gonna go around and just cut that off. But you see that long piece? That was that long piece that was like on this side, but we still got long pieces, so that's okay. That looks way better than this. Like, you see the air tab? Anyway, let me finish cutting this off. I'm talking too much. I am. I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna fast forward this part and I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all because this video is gonna be super long if I keep talking. I noticed that with editing, and I don't like that. Okay, so let's speed this up. I remember when I used to be so afraid to cut these air tabs or cut anything on a wig. Guys, customize the wig to make it work for you. I'm just cutting it. I cut a little bit too much, but I thought I cut too much hair, but it was fine. It wasn't that bad. But customize these wigs, so I'm just making it fit for me, so it wasn't that bad. Anyway, so I was debating if I wanted to do bangs or if I just wanted to wear it to the side. I decided to go in with a curved part because you see the straight part, it just makes it look too wiggy. We're trying to make these wigs look as natural and realistic as possible. It's literally a $35 wig, so you know, you just gotta play with it a little bit. This serum does help me with my frizz on my synthetic wigs. I highly recommend it. I'm always repurchasing it. It's linked under Wig Essentials. It just helps kind of like tame the frizz a little bit, you know, just just a little bit. And if you are wearing synthetic wigs and you don't have a hot comb yet, what are you doing with your life? It just helps kind of get the wig together. We're getting these wigs together. These are my synthetic wig sprays. Guys, they all work the same. You'll see me pull out different ones. They're all the same. They're all good. If you see me use it, it's good. Again, it's just maintenance and a little bit of frizz. So I'm just customizing the wig for me, you know, just shaping it a little bit and making it work. I think I cut off a little bit too much on the side. I like those like little long side parts. So just play with the wig, play with it, and make it work for you. It's your wig, it's your life. This wig was coming together. I was feeling myself, and you guys know at the end, just use a little bit of powder in the parting space, brighten up that little part, make it look like scalp, because we making these wigs look realistic, you know. I don't know why I'm yelling. Anyway, so I'm just going with a little bit of gel to get a little swoop. You don't have to do this. I'm showing you how I achieved my final look. This wig came together so perfectly, and I was so happy. I did notice that the lace was showing a little bit, going with a little bit of a darker color to hide that. If you're my complexion, you know, I'm just showing you the final touches, and that was it, y'all. All right, my friends, this wig is so cute. She's so cute. How rude.
12 seconds later.
Anyway, this wig is so cute. I'm getting ready to go see my friend sing. I'm so happy that I put myself together today because I was in a horrible funk. I'm in a lot of pain. I had to take some pain meds today. I was just in a horrible funk today. So this wig is amazing. She's so cute. She's so cute. I really like her. I really do. I don't know what's going on with this little piece here on camera. I don't know what she's doing. Okay, that's better. Guys, when I was filming this, when I was installing this, I ran out of my lace tip spray. And luckily, I just got my other one in the mail. So it takes about a week to come. So if you know you're running low, order it way ahead of time. That's all I gotta say about that. The link is down below under Wig Essentials. So I gave y'all the specs. It's the Melted Hairline Romala Chocolate Swirl 10 inches. This wig is so cute. It comes in a lot of other pretty colors. I think I want to go back and get a natural color like I stated. These are the synthetic wigs that are going to last you for a while. You put it back in your box, it's going to hold up. It's not going to tangle too much. The more it fluffs out, the more it's going to look more natural and realistic. If you want, I was debating, y'all, if I wanted to like go in with the bangs and stuff, but I would have to kind of cut it a little bit, and I didn't want to do that right now because I want to kind of wear her like this. I think I'm going to get multiple styles out of her. I'm going to wear her like this for now, and then I'm going to go in with a bang and cut her when I get a little tired of this look. But I absolutely recommend this wig. I think she's totally worth it. I think it's a beautiful wig. It's easy. She's just cute. She's so cute. I didn't used to like wigs like this, but I appreciate them now. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. I do have to go. I've been filming a lot of videos today, like short content for you guys, and I hope you like it. Y'all make sure y'all following me on Instagram, TikTok, and this platform. I pretty much repost all the same content on all the channels, but I have more content coming up for you guys, so let me know what you guys think about this one. I absolutely recommend her. Until next time, give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!